Hello students, good morning. Good morning. Okay, is my audio and video clear? Okay. Okay, as you are entering, you can just type your names. Okay, and in the meantime, let's just revise the formulas while others are joining. So here we are doing mensuration and we've started right circular cylinder. So these are the formulas of solid cylinder and these are the formulas of hollow cylinder. So this exercise 20A we are doing. We have solved questions till 8. So the previous class we solved question number 8. So today's class we are going to start from the next question, which is 29th question of this exercise. So let's start. Whoever is joining, just type your names, and when you are leaving also that time, so 2 times I am just taking attendance. You have to type your names now also and before leaving the class also. Okay. And in between, if any doubt is there, you can just type a message. I will be taking doubts also after the completion of each and every question. So let's start. Let's start. So like we were doing, first of all, we will write what is given to us and what we have to find. And then we will start the question. So till question number 8 we have done. So ninth one is, you can see the statement of the question. It's not visible. Yes. Find the total surface area of an open pipe of length 50 centimeter, external diameter 20 centimeter and internal diameter 6 centimeter. So dimensions are given to us. We have to find the total surface area of the open pipe. Total surface area of open pipe means pipe is in the shape of cylinder. So cylinder's total surface area we have to find. What is given to us? Length. Length means height. So height is given to us 50 centimeter. Then external diameter is given to us. Then from external diameter, what we can do? We can find the external radius, which I will be writing as capital R. So external radius is equals to 20 by 2. So diameter, if we divide by 2, we will get the value of radius. Then internal diameter is given to us. From that we can find the value of internal radius by dividing 6 centimeter by 2. So diameter, if we divide by 2, we will get the value of radius, which is now 3 centimeter. So all the measurements are in the same unit, centimeter. So we don't have to change any unit. So this is a direct question. We just have to apply the formula of total surface area. So what is the formula of total surface area? This is hollow cylinder. So we have already discussed the formula. So total surface area of hollow cylinder. Let's see who will tell me the formula. Yes, what is the formula of total surface area of hollow cylinder? This is hollow cylinder. How you can recognize? Because external radius and external diameter, internal radius is given to us. So it will look like this. So its thickness will be there. So this is how it will look like. So here some thickness is there. Yes. So what is the formula? Now you can start sending me your whatever I'm asking calculations or the formulas also. So what is the formula of total surface area of hollow cylinder? Okay, I'll just start. You can send me total surface area. That is, first of all, it's external surface area. So total surface area will means the surfaces, areas of all the surfaces. So it will have external surface, then internal surface, then up, top and bottoms area. So 2 pi capital RH. Yes, so someone has given the formula. 2 pi capital RH means this is the external curved surface area. Then 2 pi small r. Small r is for the internal radius. This for the internal. So all the total surface area means all the areas we are adding. Whichever surfaces are there, their areas we are adding. Then the area of, so here circle complete it will not be there. If you see top and bottom, it will look like this because it's hollow. Some thickness is there at the border, so it looks like this. So this type of thing is there at the top surface also, at the bottom also. So that is 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. So basically what we did, 2 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi we took common and here this part. So if you want direct formula, you can remember. So this is just a formula. Now if anything can be taken out common, we can take. So here 2 pi we can take common everywhere. So see 2 pi is there. Here also 2 pi is here. Here also 2 pi is there. So 2 pi we can take out common. Yes. 2 pi if we are taking out common, pi's value I can write 2 into 22 by 7. Whatever we are left with, that we can write values. First of all I'll just write the remaining things so that there won't be any confusion while you are solving. Now let's substitute the values. So 2 into 22 by 7. Capital R's value is 10 centimeter. To 10 into height is 50. Plus again small r's value is 3 into 50. Plus, see here you can always apply the formula. This thing, r square minus r square. So in each and every question, previous questions also I have explained you this we can write as r minus r and capital R plus small r. So this is like a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can just write this thing. So capital R minus small r, capital R is what? 10, small r is 3. So here 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 and into 10 plus 3. See r square minus r square, this thing. I have just expanded it using the formula of a square minus b square. So now this is 2 into 22 by 7. So let's do calculation. So 10 into 50 is 500 plus 3 into 50 is 150 plus 10 minus 3 is 7 and 10 plus 3 is 13. You can start sending the calculations now. You can see we have reached this part of the question. So 7 into 13 is this we can further write. Okay, so I'll just be using this space now. Along with me, you can write. If you are not writing, you can just take the screenshots also. And then later on, you can write it on your notebooks. Then what we are left with now, 2 into 22 by 7. So this thing we can write as 44 by 7. Let's do the multiplications. This is 44 by 7. Then here we have 500. See, 7 into 13, these things also we can add. Just add this and tell me. Yes. So this is 91. So this is 500 plus 150 plus 91. Add this and tell me what we will get. 741. Okay. 741. Do this calculation. Tell me the final answer. 742. Is it 741 or 742? Okay, 741, as most of you are sending. 741. Okay, this final answer 44 by 7 into 741. Seven 741. Okay, this we have got it. After this, what is the answer of these calculations? So Sajila has given. I want some other students also. Okay, Janvi. This is 4657.714. So this, because we were finding the areas of centimeter square. So 4657.714 centimeter square. So this is the answer of this question. So anyone, any doubt? So we had to find, this was very direct question. We had to find the total surface area of the open pipe. So open pipe means this is a hollow cylinder. We just applied the formula of the total surface area of hollow cylinder and we got the answer. So anyone, any doubt? And in between you keep on checking your backbook answers also. Anyone, any doubt? No. Okay, let's do next question then. Let's try to solve maximum questions. So next question, which is question number 10. You can see the statement. So let's see what is given to us and what we have to find. The height and radius of a base of the cylinder are in the ratio. So height and radius of a base, they are a base of the cylinder, they are in the ratio. So as I have told you earlier also, ratio, what is the meaning of ratio? Ratio means a fraction. So they have given us a fraction of height and radius. So height and radius fraction is given to us. We can write it in this form also. So which is equals to 3:1. So 3:1 we can write as 3 by 1. So if the volume, so volume is also given to us. Volume of cylinder is also given to us. This is equals to 1229 pi centimeter cube. Its total surface area we have to find. What we have to find? We have to find its total surface area. Yes. So height is equals to 3r. Okay, good. So from here, from given things only, we have to find the things. There are two ways are there. First of all, what we have to do, volume is given to us. So from volume, we can make use of volume and find the value of height and radius. Okay, so then after finding height and radius, then we can find the total surface area of the cylinder like we did in the previous question. Previous question only total surface area we had to find. Now we have to find height and radius also. Yes. So yes. H is equals to, if we make use of this fraction, so H by R is equals to 3 by 1. So we'll get the value. So this, if you do cross multiplication, you'll get H. H into 1 is H only, and here if you multiply, because this R will get multiplied with 3, so that will become 3R. So H is equals to 3R. Now we'll make use of volume's formula, because volume is given to us, whatever is given to us, we'll make use of that only. So volume of cylinder we know. Okay, what is the formula of volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder. So this is equals to pi r square h, volume of cylinder. Now we'll just substitute the values. Volume of cylinder is given to us as 1029 pi. Pi, let it be in this form only. R, let it be r square only. H. So h value here we got to, this is equals to 3r. So let me substitute its value as 3r. So what I will get here, 1029 pi is equals to pi. So r into r square into r, it will become r cube. R cube, it will become r square into r is r cube into 3. So normally we solve equation same way we will solve this also, because we have to find only one unknown variable is r cube. So this r cube we will keep on this side. Remaining things we will shift to other side. That means this pi and this 3 we have to shift to other side. Here both of these are getting multiplied. When we shift to other side, these will get divided. So pi into 3 I just shifted to other side, they got divided by the given number. So this side I got r cube. Pi will get cancelled with pi, and 3 we can do its cancellation. So this will become 343. So 343 is equals to r cube. If r cube is equals to 343, if r cube is equals to 343, so what will be the value of r? What will be the value of r if r cube is equals to 43? We know 343 is a cube of 7. So we can write it as 7 cube, other side r cube. This cube and cube you can cancel. So r is equals to 7. 343 is a cube of 7, and you should know the cubes of at least till 20. Yes, so Shreyasi, Navya and Yatin has given the answer. So if r is equals to 7, so I can write here the value of r we got. R is equals to 7 centimeter, and also we know the value of h. So h means height. Height we know it is equals to, we only assumed at the starting h is equals to 3r. 3r means 3 into r. R's value 7 we have found, so 3 into 7 is 21. So height's value also we got, height is equals to 21 centimeter. Yes, so Shreyasi has given the answer. So r and h, that means radius and height we have found. So main part of the question is to find the total surface area. So its total surface area we have to find. So its total surface area formula we will apply, direct question formula will apply, and then we can just find the required thing. It's not a hollow cylinder. So that means the other formula we have to apply. How to recognize if external diameter or internal diameter is given to us? In that case, it's a external. Okay. So I'm just going to clear this thing. You can take a screenshot or you can make a note of this. Now, what is the formula of total surface area of cylinder? So what is the formula of total surface area of cylinder? Okay, Mohan, what is the formula of total surface area of the cylinder? Okay. So 2 pi r into 2 pi r. So formulas I have given you in the first class itself, 2 pi r. So because you have to learn these formulas. h plus r. So values we just have to substitute. 2 into pi's value 22 by 7, r's value 7, height 21, r 7. So here we can do cancellation. 2, 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 into 20, 2 into 22 into this 7 and 7 got cancelled. So 21 plus 7 is 28. Multiply this and tell me the answer. Mohan's formula you have told wrong. So it is 2 pi r. I have already written the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. 1200, 1232. So it is in centimeters. So centimeter square. Area's unit is always square and volume is a cubic unit. So Janvi, Sajila, Nikita has given the answer. I hope the answers are correct. You are checking the answers at the back. Okay, anyone any doubt in this question? We have completed this question. Anyone any doubt? Shall we do the next question? Shall we do next question? If no doubts are there. So next question is little different. The previous two questions were kind of direct questions. So what we used to do, we just had to apply the formula and find the answer. So see in this question, what is given to us? The radius of the solid, bright circular cylinder decreases by 20% and its height increases by 10%. So find the percentage change in its volume and in its curved surface area. So first of all, in this question, what you have to find? So what is happening? Percentage change you have to find. So you have to find percentage change. Whenever you are finding percentage, always remember, so percentage change you are finding, its formula, it will always be whichever things the percentage. Here we are finding the percentage of change. So change by its initial value into 100. Because whenever we are finding percentage, we are multiplying by 100%. So you have to remember. So there is no such formula, but percentage of whichever thing you are finding, that thing will come at the numerator. Initial value will come at the, or total of anything will come at the denominator, and you have to multiply it with 100. You will be finding the value or in the form of percentage. So same thing here also, this formula will apply. What is given to us? Suppose initial values are what? Because here change is happening. So whenever change is happening, we will have some initial values and some final values. So any time change is happening, so we will be having initial values and final values. So this is final. So initial values, suppose initial radius is r and initial height is h. So now final we will be writing. So same way here we will write. Now what is happening in case of a radius? So radius decrease is happening. So in case of radius decrease is happening. So that means decrease in maths means minus. Okay. So now final radius, it is actually decreasing by 20%. So that means minus 20%. 20% of what? 20% of its own value only. Percent is always of something. Here percent is of its initial value only. So this will be the final. We can further simplify. So what this will become? R minus 20%, we can write 20 by 100 into R. So this you can further simplify. Cancellation, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 into 1, 2 into 5. So R minus 1 into R is R by 5. So you can take LCM here. With 5 you will multiply numerator and denominator because denominator will make same. So this will become 5r minus r by 5. So which is equals to 5 minus r is 4r by 5. So 4r by 5. So now the final radius. After the radius is decreased by 20%, the final radius is equals to 4r by 5. So it was not very difficult. We know decrease means minus. So from its initial value was r. We just subtracted 20% of r. So it is in this form, 4r by 5. Now same way we will find height also. So height, it's increasing by 10%. So initially, what is the value of height we have? So this thing I'm just going to clear. I'll just write now directly. So it is 4r by. So this working I have shown you. Just the value I am going to write now. Value is 4 by 5r. R this final, let it 4 by 5r. So height also same way we will find. Now height is increasing by 10%. Increasing means plus. So this will become h plus 10%. So 10% of h. Of itself only it will increase. So h plus 10% we can write as 10 by 100 of is into h. We can cancel here 0 with 0. So this is h plus 1 by 10h. Here we can take LCM. So LCM is making denominator same. So this will become 10h plus h by h, which is equals to 11 by 10h. So here we can write the value. So this is equals to 11 by 10. You can just, this working out you can do. It's very simple. So this is 11 by 10h. So both the values I have written. So we have done till here. We have solved what was the final values. We just assumed initial values were of radius and height were r and h. Now the final values after the change. Now how to find change of anything? Change we have to find so that we can substitute in this formula. So percentage change we are finding. We need change by its initial value into its percentage. So first of all we have to find the change of the volume. So change of what will be initial volume? Initial volume means when height is initial volume when height is h and r is r only. So this is pi r square h. This is initial volume. Now what will be the new volume or final volume? Final volume. Volume's formula is same. Pi as it is we will write r square. But r's value is this 4 by 5 r. So that will become 4 by 5 r its whole square into h. H is 11 by 10 h. So when we are finding final volume, what we are doing, we are just substituting the final values of r and h in the volume formula. See, this is pi r square h. Now let's further simplify. So this will become pi r's value. I'm just simplifying this. So this will become 16 because the square goes with all the numbers inside the bracket. So 16 by 25 r square into 11 by 10 h. So till here, anyone, any doubt? We have found the initial volume and final volume. Anyone, any doubt till here? No doubts. Okay. So changed volume we have to find now because in this formula we are substituting the values. So how much change is there? See, whenever you are finding change in anything, you have to subtract. Like example, I'll give you. Suppose in your maths test, initially you got 20 out of 20 and now you are getting 16 out of 20. So what is the change? So change is of 4 marks. So your marks changed from 20 to 16. So there is a change. So whenever we have to find the change, so change will always be, in fact this is a change of -4 because your marks are reduced with minus 16 minus 20, so -4, your marks are reduced. So whenever change we are finding of anything, in case of change we always minus the values. So but final minus initial value we do. So what we do? Final minus initial value. So here final value, so directly I am just going to write in the formula here. So this thing I am just going to clear. I hope you have written. So directly here in this formula I am going to write change. Change is final value minus initial value. So what is the final value? Final value is this, pi into 16 by 25 r square into 11 by 10 h. This is the final value. One second. Is my screen visible properly? Okay, one second. So I've written this thing. So change is final minus initial. Initial value was pi r square h divided by initial value. Again initial value is pi r square h into 100. 100%. Okay, so this we will just simplify. Is my screen visible? Is it visible properly? Okay, now we'll just simplify this. So percentage change we have to find. So change is final value minus initial value. So this is final value. Now we can just simplify this thing. So common factors we can take. This pi is common, r square is common and h is common. Here also this full pi r square h is common. So I am just taking it out. Pi r square h common. Remaining things I'll write here 16 into 11, that is 176 by 250. 25 into 10, and here nothing is there, that means 1 I should write. And in denominator again pi r square h is there. This pi r square and this pi r square h will get cancelled. So we are left with 176 by 250 minus 1. 1 also will take LCM. So here denominator is 250. So 250 minus 76 we can do. Am I audible and is my screen visible? Because I don't see any of the response now. Am I audible? Screen is not visible. Okay, okay, Nikita, scroll up. Okay, good. So I think now my screen is visible. So I'll just write. So first of all, volume was pi r square. This was initial volume, and final volume we found this pi into 16 by 25 r square into 11 by 10 h. So which we can further simplify. I can write it as 176 by 250 pi r square h. Numbers we can multiply, and we can, so the small mistake was there. So this is the this is initial volume and this is final volume. So initial minus final we will do whenever we are finding the change. So we will do initial minus final by initial into 100, because we should not get answer negative. So here whenever percentage change we are finding, so from the greater value we will just subtract the smaller. So change we will always write in positive. So here I can see minus 74 you have shared, because of the bigger value we just wrote after the negative sign. So whenever change we are writing, so automatically you just adjust the numbers, whichever thing number is greater number, you do the subtraction from that only. Okay, because change should be positive. So initial value is pi r square h. So here I am writing pi r square h minus final value is 176 by 250 into pi r square h by pi r square h. So pi here we can take pi r square h common. So pi r square h I am writing outside, it's a common factor. Here nothing is there. So 1 minus 176 by 250 by pi r square h. So pi r square h and pi r square will get cancelled. So this thing fraction you can solve, and I think after solving you will get its answer as 74 by 250. 74 by 250 into 100 is also there. Here with 100 we are multiplying. So here I just skipped into 100. So 1 0 here will get cancelled. Just simplify this and tell me the answer. So that negative sign which you have written, it should not be negative. Percentage change, change will always, we will write in a positive way. So 74 into 10, further if you want you can do cancellation here. 5 stable, 5 into 2, 5 into 5. So if you multiply 4 into 2, 8. If you multiply 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 7, 14. So 148 by 5. So 148 by 5, 29.6%. The point will not, Aditya, we have to multiply. See, from starting we are multiplying with 100% also. So this answer will be 29.6%. 29.6%. So that negative will not come. So change whenever we write in a positive way only. Okay. Now first part we have done. Now same thing we have to do for curved surface area also. So for same way we will do like we have done for volume. So in this formula only we have to do. So I'm just going to clear this thing. So curved surface area. So I'm just writing initial. I means initial. Curved surface area. Curved surface area's formula is 2 pi RH. Then final, F means final, curved surface area, 2 into 22 by 7. R value, R's value we already found. The new R was 4 by 5 R. 2 into 22 by 2 pi R H. H is 11 by 10 H. So this we can simplify. So anywhere we cannot cancel. This we can do 2 into 2 and 2 into 5. So this if you multiply what you will get? 2 into 22 by 7. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 22 will just multiply. 4 into 22 is 88. 88 into 11 will have to multiply. 88 into 11. So this will become 968. 968. Just keep on checking my calculations also. 768. Shouldn't be 968. And 25 into 7. 175. Or one second, don't do, we'll let it be in this form only. Why we are substituting? Because again percentage we have to find. So 2 into pi into R's value. R's value we can write as 4 by 5 R. Height's value 11 by 10 H. So this only we can simplify. Let it be in pi form only. 2 pi, numbers will multiply. 2 into 1, 2 into 5. So this will become 4 into 11, 44 by 25 pi RH. Let it be in this form only. Okay. So pi and RH, let it be in that form because up and down we have to do cancellation. So that's why no need of like doing this type of calculations. So I'll just write now, then in percent formula we will just substitute it value. So initial surface area. So I got little cold also. I hope I am still audible. My voice is proper. I hope so. So initial CSA is equals to 2 pi RH. So final 44 by 25 pi RH. Now let's substitute this in the formula. Percentage change. So percentage change formula same way we will do. Percentage change. P change here I am writing, that means percentage change. So initial minus final. If it comes negative also we'll write it as positive by initial into 100. So initial value is 2 pi RH minus final value is 44 by 25 pi RH by again initial 2 pi RH into 100. Or we'll do one thing here. We'll write here 2 into 22. Because full 2 pi RH we will take out common like we did in the previous question. So 2 into 22. So 2 pi, so 2 pi RH full will take common. So here pi RH and 2. So 2 pi RH when I am taking common, inside I am left with 1 minus 22 by 25 by 2 pi RH into 100. 2 pi RH and 2 pi RH will get cancelled. So this fraction will be simplifying. What we will get? 1 minus 22 by 25 into 100. If we take LCM here, we'll multiply with 25 only. So 25 minus 22 is 23 by 25 into 3 only, not 23, into 4 into 100. So we can do cancellation 25 into 4. So this is equals to 12%. So is it decrease or increase? If final minus initial, like I have told you, if it is negative, like it came in previous question. So here also this is decrease only. 3 by 25. Is it decrease or increase? That also you should know. Percentage change, decrease. Because here also if you find this value final minus initial. Final minus initial whenever you are doing, if it is negative. Here also if you do that, so this will be negative 3 only you will get. So in this case, like in previous also when we did minus 74 something was we were getting. So whenever you are getting negative value, so negative value means what? There is a decrease happening. And here also when we do final minus initial, I just wrote initial minus final, so that was positive. So if we do final minus initial, again we will get negative only. So negative means there is a decrease. Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? Okay. Okay, next question is little lengthy. I think we'll continue that in the next class only. Till question number 11 you can complete. And you can complete your classwork till question number 11 of exercise 20A. If you haven't copied down, you can just go through this again, and it is actually getting recorded, you already know. And we'll continue from 12th question the next class only, because the question is little lengthy and it will take more time. There we have only 10 minutes, so it won't be possible. Okay, so if anyone has any doubt, you can ask me. If no doubts, you can leave this class, but you have to share your names before leaving. No doubts? Okay, just share your names before leaving. Bye everyone.